It says there, ayon kay Lolo Jose, magkasing asim ang kalamansi at sangkales. Kaya kahit alin sa dalawang ilahok sa sinigang ay ayos lang. It says there, Lolo Jose or Grandpa Jose says that the taste of tamarind and calamansi are the same. Calamansi is like the fruit, the long fruit that's really, really sour. And the calamansi is the vine, it's like the vines. And anong salita ang pagkakahambing sa Pangulo sa palitan ng pagpapili? So which word there that shows the comparison words? So that first, alin sa what is? Letter A is what is? Alin sa B is ayos lang. That's okay. Letter C is magkasing asim. So it's magkasing asim in English.
I don't know either.
It's like they are the same. They are sour. They are both sour. As sour as something like that. So which one that's word shows the comparison of the two things? Alin sa ayos lang or magkasing asim? You didn't answer, dude. Where's your answer? Good, what's your answer? I-focus muna kasi sa'yo. Good. Next. Focus. So it's there. I-click ang true. Click the true kung tama. I-click ang false kung mali. What? Mas mahusay sumayaw si Daisy.
Tagalog. There's no Tagalog.
Yeah, they weren't able to put mali or tama. Mas mahusay sumayaw si Daisy. So Daisy is better in dancing than Pamela. Ang salitang may salungguhit, mas mahusay, it's better. Mas mahusay, it's better. Ang salitang may salungguhit ay nagpapakilala ng di pagtutulad. So, it's not, do you know the comparative and, what do you call that?
Like
The other
bigger
one?
or smaller or
It's like,
or better or
yeah,
worse.
the better, something like that. So, mas mahusay. Ang di na, so is it mas mahusay? It's not comparing true or false.
to lean on.
Oh, sorry.
To lean on.
Is it mas mahusay? Is it a compare or it's better? So it's better in mas mahusay. Mas mahusay sumayaw. Daisy is better than
Pamela.
yeah. So is that mas mahusay? Is it a comparative or it's not di pagtutulad?
It is comparative.
So it says there di pagtutulad. So it's not a comparative.
So it is a comparative.
So check your answer.
It's
When you say di pagtutulad, it's not comparative.
D. Oh.
Di is that means hindi. Hindi it's like a short term of hindi. Ano ang tamang kasalungat ng salita o larawan? What's the opposite word
What?
of that
This.
picture? Yeah. Is it A, luma? It's old. B, it's old. Matanda, it's
Luma
is like old, but it's more of like things.
only for things.
Matanda is an elderly. Or C is sanggol, child. What's the opposite of that? Baby. Luma,
Baby.
old.
Oh. Baby. Oh. Baby. Oh. There sound like opposites.
Baby and old. Okay. Next. Process.
Oh,
Ano ang tamang kasing kahulugan ng salita? What is the other word for the word tahimik?
what is tamhimik?
Quiet. A. Masunurin. Tahimik is what? Tahimik. That means you have to be silent. A. Masunurin or obedient. B. Magulo. It's messy. C. Payapa. Peaceful. Which one is the opposite? What do you want me to?
Papaya.
Payapa is peaceful. Papaya. Payapa.
Payapa.
Next.
Pupa.
Ano ang tamang kasalungat? What is the opposite of that word? Madilim.
Madilim. What
Madilim
is it?
is dark.
Dark.
What's the opposite
Masaya.
of madilim?
What's masaya?
Masaya, it's joyful, happy.
Malungkot.
It's sad. Number
So
letter
it must
C.
be this.
Maliwanag is bright. You have to learn Tagalog.
Hooray! Just
Si Kaloy ay tahimik na nagbabasa ng aklat. Si Kaloy. Kaloy is reading the book silently inside his room. What is the salitang kilos? What is the verb in that word? Nagbabasa, reading, tahimik, silent, or kaloy. Oh. But do not be so proud, okay?
okay.
Ang pangungusap ay may salitang kilos na magpagandaan. So, what is the word that shows that? Do you know the past, present tense?
Yes.
Past, present, and future.
Yeah.
So, panagdaan, that means which one that shows past tense. One is, nagwalis ako sa aming bakuran kaninang umaga. I swept the
Swept.
yard
I swept.
just this morning. And number two, nagwawali si nanay sa aming bakuran. My mother is sweeping the yard today.
Is waiting.
Wait lang. Let's check all the choices. Letter C. Magwawali si ate sa aming bakuran. Ate will sweep the floor. We sweep the backyard. Which one?
Will.
So
this one is.
Okay, next. Aling pangungusap ang may salitang kilos na pangkasalukuyan? So which one that shows the pangkasalukuyan is the present? Ang bata ay umiiyak sa labas ng silid-aralan. The kid is crying outside the classroom. The B, ang bata ay umiyak dahil inaway siya ng klase. The B is, the kid cried because his classmate fought him. Letter C, ang bata ay iiyak kung hindi siya bibilang luhan. The child will cry if you don't give him a toy. So which one?
Is the.
Will cry or crying or cried or will cry? Which one it shows pangkasalukuyan? kasalukuyan is present. Dalian mo, we're running out of time. Can you check your answer again? The first one is crying. The second is cried. Pangkasalukuyan is present. So why did you answer the B first? Can you explain to me?
Because I thought it was crying.
Next, come on.
Whatever that was.
Ang pangungusap ang may salitang kilos ng panghinanap. Now this one is for the future. I don't wanna read everything. So, nagtatanim is planting. What?
Like,
No, that laptop is so hot. It's so hot under it because it doesn't have a fan anymore. Sabi ni Lola, magtatanim. So, nagtatanim. So, that's, it says there, the future tense. Nagtatanim is planting. Magtatanim is will plant. And nagtanim is planted. So, which one is the future tense? Nagtatanim.
what did you say?
Kasi nga magtatanim. There's not of fun. Oh my God, we are running out of time. Goodness. One more time. Nagtatanim is planting.
Planting.
Magtatanim is will plant. And then the letter C is planted. So which one is the future tense? That's the moon. Ano ang salitang kilos ng panghihanap sa salitang takbo? What is the future tense of the word takbo? Takbo is run. One is tumatakbo or running. B is
Which tense?
future. Running.
Will run.
Run is the past tense of run. Or
Ran.
Oh, ran.
Ran.
Or tatakbo is will run.
Tatakbo. Why did I just
Ay, naku.
throw? I just
Ano ang
put that.
salitang hilas ng pamagdaan? The past tense of the word tulog. What's tulog?
Sleep.
Right.
So this is like
Pangkasalukuyan is
this is like
present.
this is like the language in Movienax, but instead it's in the computer
Yeah.
and also it's Filipino.
Yeah.
So it's both. So nagsusulat,
Writing. Will write.
magsusulat.
Or write. So which one is right? Which one is present tense? Writing. Will write or write?
Right.